Hello student, today I am going to explain you chapter number 9 Upkarahastu Kartavyam. Upkarahastu Kartavyam means but an enemy should be killed by obligation. So let's start with our introduction. Mruchakatikam by the Shudraka is a kind of a allegorical drama. The theme is based on the life of ordinary people in society. As the protagonist, we have Charudatta, who was once a wealthy person but is now poor. As the heroine is a rich courtesan, Vasant Sena. The imaginative portrayal of their love by Shudraka make this work an unique one. This expert is taken from the 10th act of Mruchakatikam. Shakara, the brother-in-law of the king, killed Vasant Sena by suffocating her. For the crime committed by him, Shakara puts the blame on a Charudat. Charudat is sentenced to death. Fortunately, Vasant Sena is alive. By coincidence, there is a change of a kingship. Moreover, the fact that Charudat did not try to kill, but that it was Shakara also come to light. And so, Shakara, who is now an ordinary citizen, is arrested. The conversation that take place to decide what punishment should be given to Shakara is edited and presented here. Those in the power may succeed in harassing the common innocent people for some time, but in the end it is they themselves who will be harassed. Moreover, the good person who come to power does not harbor any feeling of a revenge towards the person who had harmed him earlier. Instead, he has a feeling of a pardon or a helpfulness, and that is the moral of that we get from these dialogues. Moreover, how in a Sanskrit the indeclarable is used to express the feeling felt is also to be learnt here. So let's start with our lesson. Nepathya means backside of the stage. This is a drama. So we have many words like a nepathya and other. Nepathya means the backside of the stage or behind the curtain. अरे रे राष्ट्रीय श्यालक एहि एहि स्वस्य अभिनयस्यं फलम अनुभवम. Behind the curtain, oh you, king's brother-in-law, come, experience the fruit of your rosary. Avinayasya means a rosary. Ehi means come. And Rashtriya Shalak means brother-in-law of a king. Tata pravishati purushe radhishtitam paschat bahubaddham Shakara. Then enter the Shakara, who was escorted by the guards with the hand tied on the back. Shakara said, Disa avlokyam means Shakara looking to the quarters. Samantata upasthita esha rashtriya bandha. Here on all sides is the hemming in of the king's brother-in-law. Tatkam idanim sharanam vrajami. So, whom now I shall helpless approach for the protection. Sharanami means approach for the protection. Vichintyat means thinking. Bhavatu tameva sharanavatsalam gacchami. And say to the king, all right, I shall go right to him who was affectionate towards those who were approached for a protection. Saranam vatsalam means protector of the people who come in his sharan or in his protection. Idam upasutyam acharya Charudatta. Approaching to Charudatta, noble Charudatta. Paritrayasva, Paritrayasva. Paritrayasva means save me or give me a protection. Iti padayo patati means fall in his feet. I repeat the translation again. Shakara said, looking to the quarters, here on all sides is the hemming in all of the king's brother-in-law. So, whom now I shall helpless approach for the protection, thinking, all right, I shall go right to him who is affectionate towards those who approach for the protection, and approaching in his feet and fall in his feet and said, O noble Charudat, save me. Shakara, Charudat Prati. Shakar to the Charudat. Bo. Nepatthi. Arya Charudatta. Munja. Vyapadayam enam. Means, Nepatthi means behind the curtain. There was some sound from behind the curtain. Arya Charudat. Munja means noble Charudat. Leave. Munja means leave. Vyapadayam enam means let's kill him. Vyapadayam means kill. Enam means him. Shakara, Charudatta Prati. Shakar said to Charudatta, Bo, Asharanam Paritrayasva means, oh, the shelter, fall the shelterness, save me. Charudatta, Sanukampam means Charudat with compensatory. Abhayam Sharanagatasyam. Alas, freedom from fear. Freedom for fear. Who have approached for the protection. Means Charudat says, I promise you not to kill. Be freedom from fear. Sarvilaka, Savegam means Sarvilak in a angry mood. Apaniyatam ayam Charudat Pascharta means, oh, let him be removed from dear Charudatta. Charudatta Prati means to the Charudatta. Nanuchyatam kimasyam papasya anushthityatam itim means he said to Charudat, I say, please tell me what should be done with this sinner. Akarshantu subuddhanevainam shwabhi sankhyaadyatam atham shuleva tishthatamesham patyatam krakachenam va means should they drag him away after being tightly bound and should be devoured by the dogs, or should he stay on the stake, or should he be served down with a... So in this slok, Sarvilak asked Charudat how to punish Shakara for his sin, which he was committed by trying to kill Vasansena. Charudat, Kim aham yad bravimi tat kriyate means Charudat says, would you do what I say? Sarvilak, ko atra sandeha means Sarvilak says, is there any doubt here? Or what is the doubt here? Shakara, Bhattaraka Charudatta Sharanagato Asmi. Shakar said, Master Charudat, I have approached in your protection. Tata Paritra Yasva means so save me. Yatat sadasam tatkuru. Do what becomes you. Punarnam idasam करिष्यामि means I shall not do like this again. Nepatye means behind the stage or a curtain. Paura Vyapadayata means citizens. Paura means a citizen of this state. Vyapadayata means kill him, kill him. Ki nimittam pataki jivyate. Pataki means sinner and jivyate means live. Ki nimittam means the what is the intention? What is the intention for criminal's life? Or what for it the criminal to live? Sharvilaka. Arere. Apanayata. Sharvilaka. Oh, you take him away. Acharya Charudat Agya Pyatam Kimasya Papasyam Anushthiyata means noble Charudat, please order what should be done with this sinner. Charudat Kim aham yad bravimi tat kriyate. Charudat say what I say would be done. Sharvilaka ko atra sandeha, what doubt here? Charudat satyam. Charudat says true. Sharvilaka satyam. Sharvilak said yes, true. Charudat adyeva sigramayam means if so, quickly this one. Sharvilak kim hanyatam. Sharvilak asked what, to be killed? Charudat nahi nahi means Charudat say no no. Mujyatam means be released. Sharvilak kimartham. Sharvilak asked what? Charudat Shatru Krutaprad Sharanamupyatye Padayo Patitam means an enemy who has committed an offense and fallen on your feet. Sastrenana Hantavyam, having sought for your protection, should not be killed with a weapon means Charudat says an enemy who has committed his offense and fall on your feet, having sought for the protection, should not be killed with a weapon. Sarvilaka evam. Sarvilak says all right. Tahir shwabi khadyata means then let him be eaten by dogs. Charudatta nahi. Charudat say not indeed. Upkarahastu kartavyam means he should be killed by oblations. Sharvilaka Aho Ascharyam Kim Karomi Vada Tvarya means oh, what a surprise, what should I do? Let the noble one tell. Charudatta Tanmuchyata means Charudat says so, let him be released. Sarvilak Mukto Bhavatu. Sharvilak say to Shakara, let him be free or you are a free. Shakara Ascharyam. Shakara says wonderful. Pratyut Jivito Asmi, I have been restored to be a life. Iti Purushe Saha Nishkrantam and exit with the guards from the court of king.